Hello, lightshot is a screenshot tool that can work on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And when you try to print a screen, you can select the area, but when you select some of the area using the box or you using the arrow or you type in text here, you can see the size of the text of the arrow is small. So how to enable it or resize it? To do that, you can using your mouse scroll up to small it. Scroll down is to enlarge it. So what I'm talking about is let me delete this one. So you're using the mouse scroll to make the size larger or small to adjust the size. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.